Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious butternut squash veggie tacos. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We're going to start by roasting 2 poblano peppers right on the stovetop. Place them on top of the burner and keep turning them around until the skin is dark and blistered. Then transfer them into a closed container and let them steam for a few minutes. Transfer the peppers onto a cutting board and scrape the skin off using a knife. Then, cut the peppers open and remove the seeds. The first pepper is gonna be used in the Poblano Crema, so just give it a rough chop. The second one we're gonna be using in the veggie mix, so dice it into small pieces. For the Poblano Crema, add 3/4 of a cup of sour cream into a food processor. 2 cloves of garlic, the roughly chopped poblano pepper, a handful of fresh cilantro, the juice of half a lime, some salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Then process it until nice and smooth. Taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. I'm adding a little bit more lime juice and salt. Transfer the crema into a container and save it for later. Next, peel a medium-sized butternut squash. Cut the ends, cut it in half, remove the seeds, and then dice it into bite-sized pieces. Transfer the butternut squash onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then drizzle some olive oil and season with salt, fresh ground black pepper, some cumin, and some 6 chili powder. Place it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 Celsius, and roast it for 20 to 30 minutes or until fork tender. While the butternut squash is in the oven, dice 1 red onion. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add a drizzle of olive oil. Then add the onion and sauté until translucent. Add 1 cup of fresh or frozen corn. Mix it in, then add the diced poblano pepper. Season with some fresh ground black pepper and salt. Then add 1 can of drained black beans. Once I add the beans, I like to season it with just a little bit of cumin and 6 chili powder. By now, the butternut squash should be ready. Remove it from the oven and transfer it into the pan with the other veggies. And the butternut squash veggie mix is ready. Before serving, I like to warm up some flour tortillas right on the stovetop. Flip them around, being careful not to burn them. To serve, top the tortillas with a spoonful of the Poblano Crema. Then, add the butternut squash and veggie mix. Sprinkle with some queso fresco or cotija cheese. Then, add a drizzle of chipotle or sriracha mayo. And finish it up with some fresh cilantro. And these delicious butternut squash tacos are done. And now, it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.